इंडिया में हर साल 1.5 करोड़ स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 12 का एग्जाम लिखते हैं एंड लेट मी टेल यू शॉकिंग डेटा। इसमें से अप्रॉक्स 1 करोड़ स्टूडेंट्स कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन नहीं करते हैं, कोई भी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम नहीं लिखते हैं। सो वेयर डू दीज स्टूडेंट्स गो? ऑल दे डू इज सेटल फॉर एवरेज कॉलेजेस। बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि स्टूडेंट्स क्यों नहीं एंट्रेंस टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं? कॉम्पिटिशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन में एफर्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा लगेंगे, पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, या फिर एग्जाम का डिफिकल्टी लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा है। इसकी वजह से स्टूडेंट सोचता है कि कौन ही इतना झंझट ले, एंड वो रैंडमली किसी कॉलेज में एंटर कर जाते हैं जो कि यूजुअली एक एवरेज कॉलेज होता है। एंड फाइनल ईयर में आकर के स्टूडेंट के पास 2 ऑप्शंस होते हैं, या तो प्लेसमेंट में किसी एवरेज जॉब के लिए सेटल हो जाओ, या फिर किसी अच्छे एंट्रेंस टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन करो। बट ऑलरेडी क्लास 12 के बाद स्टूडेंट को रियलाइज होता है कि एक बहुत बड़ा गैप आ चुका होता है उसकी एप्टीट्यूड स्किल्स के अंदर, उसकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स के अंदर, क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग स्किल्स के अंदर, ड्यू टू विच उस एग्जाम में भी अगेन स्टूडेंट बहुत एवरेज परफॉर्म करता है। सो इफ आई गिव अ सोल्यूशन टू दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड टेल यू अबाउट एन एग्जाम जिसमें कंपटीशन भी बहुत कम है, और अगर आप इस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर लेते हो तो आपकी एप्टीट्यूड स्किल्स, चाहे वो क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड हो, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग हो, वर्बल एबिलिटी हो, इसमें बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाती हैं। एंड इंडिया के ऑलमोस्ट हर एग्जाम में ये तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स पूछे जाते हैं। देन दैट एग्जाम इज IPMAT, and once you crack this exam you enter the top management institutes of India, which are the IIMs, Indian Institutes of Management. And once you enter these colleges, you never settle for average. So if you crack IPMAT, then you enter the top IIMs of India like IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, IIM Ranchi, Shillong, Jammu and Bodh Gaya. IPMAT basically has 3 subjects: quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and verbal ability. There are 3 different IPMAT exams in India: IPMAT Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT, but इनका preparation बहुत similar होता है. If you prepare for IPMAT Indore, you are kind of prepared for Rohtak and JIPMAT as well. One good thing about IPMAT is that it is stream neutral. It is open for every student from every stream. If you don't have maths, if you have maths, you're from biology, you're from any stream, it is open for you. You can write IPMAT. So if you are in class 12, then you'll be writing IPMAT 2027, जो कि May 2027 में होगा. You exactly have 1 year to prepare for the exam, which is very much ideal. If you are in class 11, then you can start early as well and target IPMAT 2028. You'll have 2 years to prepare the exam, which simply means आप comfortably prepare कर सकते हो, easily prepare कर सकते हो. You can practice more. Your chances to succeed in the exam literally double because you have 2 years and you even have more chances of making a comeback. So if you are talking about IPMAT, you have to talk about iQuanta, because for the last 3 years, we have been consistently delivering 20 plus similar questions in the IPMAT Indore exam. Last year, 120 plus iQuanta students were selected in IIMs, and now if you want to prepare for IPMAT with iQuanta, then we are coming up with a new batch. And in this particular batch, you'll be getting live interactive classes. These live classes are 2-way interactive. That means not just the teacher, the student can also speak in the class and get their doubts resolved right in the class at that very moment. You'll also be getting the recordings of each and every live class that will be accessible throughout the year any number of times. Along with this, you'll also be getting access to 7 iQuanta IPMAT physical books, wherein you have a lot of conceptual part as well as 3,000 plus questions which are very relevant to IPMAT with detailed solutions. You'll also be getting access to an online portal wherein after every class you'll be provided with an assignment, and along with that we'll be having a rigorous mock test series wherein you'll have 80 mocks for IPMAT Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT, and a lot of sectional tests as well. Each and every mock will have a detailed analysis provided after you finish the mock, and there'll also be detailed video solution to each and every question. So once you start with us, we'll be aiming your syllabus completion within 6 to 7 months, and last 5 months will just be aimed at mocks, practice and rigorous revision. Throughout the year, you'll be having a 24/7 instant doubt clarification support wherein you can post on the iQuanta app and your every doubt will be solved within 15 minutes. Not just this, in the last 60 days before the exam, we'll also be having a rigorous crash course in which you'll be studying for around 7 to 8 hours every day. We'll be doing a lot of classes, we'll be solving a lot of questions, and we'll be doing mocks in parallel. And the most unique feature of this course is mentorship by IIM students. जहाँ पर आपको एक IIM का mentor मिलेगा, एक student होगा जो currently IIM में पढ़ रहा होगा. He'll be assisting you, he'll be your mentor, and throughout the year, he will be assisting you with your preparation, he will be tracking your progress, he will be checking whether you have a proper study plan or not, and they'll be constantly motivating you throughout the year, through which you can provide maximum output. And if I finally put it together, then along with your academic preparation, iQuanta will also prepare you for IIM interviews, and again ये interviews की preparation आपको IIM के mentors ही करवाएंगे. Those students who are currently studying in IIMs, those who have cracked this interview earlier. So it is all under one roof. So if you want to join the new IPMAT batch by iQuanta, there's a link in the description. You can click it and check all the details. We also have special discounts on the basis of your class 10 and 12%. And if you want to talk to me, there's a WhatsApp grouping in the description as well. You can join it and you will find me there. So enroll now. I'll see you in the classes.